Hello, my name is Sarah Jane Cruikshank and I am a stay-at-home mum, and I would like to share with you a way that I've discovered that I can educate, learn and use a new skill to set me financially free using just my smartphone. In and around the chaos of the school runs, the laundry, the washing, everything that I have to do as a mum, as you well understand. So I've just got another trade come through now. Basically what it is I am trading Forex, foreign exchange. We are taught how to use the Forex industry, the $1 trillion industry, and we can use it from a simple phone app like this. So if you want to, it's crazy, I can do this from home. So if you want to learn a skill that will pay you for the rest of your life, so you don't have to rely on anybody else ever again for money, and it will give you that self-worth, self-confidence, and you get to learn something new, which is so hard to do when you're stuck at home all day. Get yourself financially free for you and your family, tapping into the $1 trillion industry that is Forex. That is not going anywhere. There is no selling or recruiting required, which is incredible. It's not like one of these companies where you go out and you've got to put out catalogues or you've got to try and sell beauty products. This is something that you learn at your own pace from your phone. If you don't want to be stuck in your house all the time, you know, and not learning anything apart from, you know, don't mix black socks with white socks, then why not have a look at this? It costs nothing to have a look. We've got an open Facebook group where you can come and have a little look around, see what you think, and I'd love to welcome you to the team and get you on the road to financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Just literally put a number 1 in the comments if you would like more information. Like and share this video and it will set you free. Thanks very much. Bye bye.